Hello and welcome back guys. Let me tell you some major risk signals surrounding TXO exchange. High return inconsist with real trading logics. Their promotional material often promise short-term high return and guaranteed continuous profit. And real trading market profit and loss always coexist. There is no such thing as a strategy that gives stable risk-free profit continuously. If a platform continuously highlight high and stable return, you should take extreme safety. Verifying regulatory information is difficult for these platforms. For any exchange, regulatory status is a primary safety indicator regarding TXO exchange. Clear regulatory registration records are hard to find. Officially disclosed information is difficult to verify in international regulatory database. A financial platform that cannot provide verifiable regulatory credential is a massive red flag. Also, recurring presence and frequent domain changes. User feedback suggests that platforms like TXO exchange have appeared in various markets often once a domain is flagged or warned against the platform will switch to a new URL. Continues operation under a slightly different name. Frequent domain hopping is a common trick used by high-risk investment scheme. This operation model resembles a Ponzi structure. Numerous complaints mentioned that the platform encourage users to recruit new investors in exchange for rewards. When a platform cash flow depends on the influx of capital for new member, if shift from a legal exchange to a Ponzi or a pyramid structure. The official regulatory warning already issued are that several global regulatory have already issued investment alert against platform under these names, including FMA, Financial Markets Authority, New Zealand, Washington DC DFI, Department of Financial Institution, US, ASIC, Australian Security and Investment Commission. Regulatory warning usually indicate that formal complaints have been filed or potential fraud has been detected. So guys, please stay safe from these investment scams and keep your money safe and you are happy. Thank you and goodbye.